on NEET. That's going to be one of the biggest showdowns in the parliament today. Remember, just a few moments ago, Rahul Gandhi has also spoken right outside the parliament where he said that the opposition will be raising the issue of NEET. The NEET paper leak issue will dominate the parliament proceedings today. Sources tell Times Now that the opposition has readied its floor strategy to corner the Sarkar on the issue of alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examination. So the Vipaksh will raise the NEET issue both in the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. The decision was made during the India Alliance meeting at the residence of the Congress chief, Mallikarjun Kharge. The meeting had taken place last evening. Sources indicate that the centre is also prepared and is preparing a blueprint to counter-strike. So if the matter arises, the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, will be ready to respond in the floor of the House to the queries that are raised by the opposition. Remember, just yesterday, in a dramatic turn of events, the Congress Party's student wing barged into the National Testing Agency's office in Delhi, locked its doors as a sign of protest and shouted slogans to scrap the agency. Soon after the incident, the police rushed to evict the protesters and secure the space. The Delhi police said that a case has been registered against the NSUI workers.
आज हमने यहाँ तालाबंदी की और तालाबंदी करके जो काम नरेंद्र मोदी को, जो काम धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को करना था, वो काम हमारे एनएसयूआई ने किया। और
तो आपने इस गेट पर ताला डाल दिया है?
बिल्कुल ताला लगाया है और हमारी मांग है कि बच्चों को, छात्रों को न्याय मिलना चाहिए।
तो कहीं ना कहीं कानून हाथ में आपने ले रहे हैं?
नहीं, हम कानूनी, हम हक की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। पूरे देश में आंदोलन हो रहा है।
आप लोग यहाँ पहुंचे, आपने ताला बंद कर दिया है, लोग जो है उनको आपने यहाँ पे होस्टेज कर दिया, जो यहाँ पे वर्कर्स थे। तो क्या ये कानून अपने हाथ में नहीं लिया आपने?
देखिए, जब एनटीए ने लाखों छात्रों को भविष्य में ताला लगाने का काम किया है, उनके भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करने का काम किया, तो आज हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष वरुण चौधरी जी के नेतृत्व में एनएसयूआई कार्यकर्ताओं ने ऐसी संस्था पे ताला लगाने का काम किया जिसने देश के लाखों करोड़ों छात्रों के भविष्य पे ताला लगाने का काम किया। आज सरकार नाकाम है, सरकार पूरी तरह सो चुकी है।
And the storm over the NEET paper leak row is also expected in the parliament, with the opposition stepping up the attack ahead of the parliament proceedings. In fact, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, just as he was entering the parliament as well, said that the biggest issue is the issue of NEET, and the opposition expects the discussion to take place respectfully in the parliament.
ऑपोजिशन के जो फ्लोर लीडर्स हैं, सबकी मीटिंग हुई और यूनानिमस था कि आज हमें नीट का जो इशू है उस पर डिस्कशन चाहिए। हिंदुस्तान के स्टूडेंट से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, ये आपका इशू है और हम सबको लगता है, इंडिया गठबंधन को लगता है कि आज सबसे जरूरी बात आपकी है, क्योंकि आप हिंदुस्तान के भविष्य हो। तो हमें लगा कि यहाँ पे पार्लियामेंट हाउस में नीट पे डिस्कशन हो और उसके बाद प्रेसिडेंट्स एड्रेस हो पाए। और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ प्रधानमंत्री जी को कि ये युवाओं की इशू है और अच्छी तरह प्यार से डिस्कशन होना चाहिए, रिस्पेक्टफुली डिस्कशन होना चाहिए। हम रिस्पेक्टफुली करेंगे, आप भी डिस्कशन में ज्वाइन कीजिए, आप भी भाग लीजिए और रिस्पेक्टफुली, क्योंकि ये युवाओं का मामला है। तो हम चाहते हैं युवाओं को मैसेज मिले, घबराए हुए हैं, उनको ये नहीं मालूम कि क्या होने वाला है नीट में। तो पार्लियामेंट से मैसेज जाना चाहिए, उनको भरोसा मिलना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान की सरकार और हिंदुस्तान का ऑपोजिशन एक साथ मिलकर स्टूडेंट्स की बात कर रहा है।
So the NEET showdown expected in the parliament. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast. Rishabh, just a day after the NSUI activists had barged into the NTA and had also locked up the premises, Rahul Gandhi says there should be a discussion on NEET respectfully in the parliament.
Well, definitely. All the India bloc leaders are very certain that they will raise the issue of NEET in the parliament, and they want parliament discussion on the same. Number of leaders, including Ranjita Ranjan, including Nasir Hussain and other leaders from the opposition bloc, have filed adjournment motion asking for debate and discussion on the NEET. Remember, this happened just a day after the presidential address. In the presidential address, President Draupadi Murmu did mention the issue of paper leak and how her government, or for that matter, the NDA government, has brought in strict laws to prevent that. But the opposition is not satisfied. They want a clear, detailed discussion on NEET inside the parliament, and that is something that's on agenda. Every leader that we have spoken to from the India bloc, they have been very clear that we will pressurize the government to ensure that there is a meaningful, fruitful discussion around NEET and the whole menace of paper leak.
Okay, all right. Rishabh, stay with us. We also have Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, a clear indication of what's expected in the parliament. Rahul Gandhi, before entering the parliament, says we need a discussion on NEET, but he also said that this is a message that needs to go out to the students, that the government and the opposition is together, because this is an issue that pertains to the future of the students.
Well, absolutely. You see, today a showdown is expected inside the parliament. The opposition say that over the NEET fiasco, the opposition leaders are united. We had seen that starting leaders from DMK, Supremo M.K. Stalin, as well as TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee, all of them writing letters to Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the NEET fiasco, how they want the system should be cleared completely so that in the future no such incidents have been recorded. Now the opposition parties have been raking up their attack against the NDA government over the NEET fiasco. The opposition leaders have to say that the NEET fiasco have been handled very poorly by the central government. The measures which has been taken by the central government was taken very
Okay, all right. We seem to be facing technical difficulties. Sabyasachi, will come back to you in just a moment. Rahul Gandhi is saying we are going to raise the issue of NEET. This pertains to the future of the students, and he said that the opposition is going to be raising the issue. So this comes just a day after, look at the visuals on your screens, the student body of the Congress party barging into the NTA office, locking up the premises and asking for the NTA to be scrapped completely. We are also getting in live proceedings of the Lok Sabha. The opposition is likely to raise some of these issues. Sabyasachi is back with us. Sabyasachi, a lot expected in the parliament, and of course the NEET controversy is going to take center stage.
Well, absolutely. See, the NEET controversy is going to take the center stage, whereas several opposition leaders are expected to rake up the attack on the central government over the NEET controversy, demanding answer, demanding what kind of measures has been taken so far by the government. Now, we had seen that time and again, whether it is Rahul Gandhi, Mamata Banerjee or Akhilesh Yadav, all of them have blamed attack on the central government over their failure to handle the NEET controversy. The measures which has been taken by the central government has been taken very late, and by that time around lakhs of students are at risk. So time and again the opposition leaders have been raising the NEET controversy. In the past as well, Rahul Gandhi has met with a few aspirants of NEET at his residence. So clearly the Congress party, along with the other opposition leaders, though they have given a green signal where this particular NEET controversy was discussed with the other opposition leaders of the India Alliance, and they also feel that this particular issue needs to take the center stage at the parliament, because this is an issue which is related to the common man, and the united opposition is going to raise it inside the parliament today.
Okay, all right. And before he entered the parliament, Rahul Gandhi also made it clear that the opposition is indeed going to raise the issue of NEET. He also appealed to the government to have a respectful discussion. Listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said.
ऑपोजिशन के जो फ्लोर लीडर्स हैं, सबकी मीटिंग हुई और यूनानिमस था कि आज हमें नीट का जो इशू है उस पे डिस्कशन चाहिए. हिंदुस्तान के स्टूडेंट्स से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, ये आपका इशू है और हम सबको लगता है, इंडिया गठबंधन को लगता है कि आज सबसे जरूरी बात आपकी है, क्योंकि आप हिंदुस्तान के भविष्य हो. तो हमें लगा कि यहाँ पे पार्लियामेंट हाउस में नीट पे डिस्कशन हो और उसके बाद प्रेसिडेंट्स एड्रेस हो पाए. और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ प्रधानमंत्री जी को कि ये युवाओं की इशू है और अच्छी तरह प्यार से डिस्कशन होना चाहिए, रिस्पेक्टफुली डिस्कशन होना चाहिए. हम रिस्पेक्टफुली करेंगे. आप भी डिस्कशन में ज्वाइन कीजिए, आप भी भाग लीजिए और रिस्पेक्टफुली, क्योंकि ये युवाओं का मामला है. तो हम चाहते हैं युवाओं को मैसेज मिले. घबराए हुए हैं, उनको ये नहीं मालूम कि क्या होने वाला है नीट में. तो पार्लियामेंट से मैसेज जाना चाहिए, उनको भरोसा मिलना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान की सरकार और हिंदुस्तान का ऑपोजिशन एक साथ मिलकर स्टूडेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं.